So I'm just saying my stuff not normal.
And now, please welcome your hosts for the day.
Sumit, can we have you on stage, please? Sumit, where are you?
Hi Aisha, can you see me? Here I am.
What happened to you?
I could use a bit of transformation myself. How does my avatar look? What, in your viewpoint, does an investor need to know or need to do to be an informed investor?
Let's talk about emergency fund. Why is it important and how should one create one for themselves?
Hello and welcome to the Association of Mutual Funds in India and Times Network present Jan Nivesh, a pan-India investor education initiative where we're aiming to educate every Indian so that they can better manage their hard-earned money. On this special episode, we've brought to you one of India's most trusted brands, CEAT. How did Future Generali go through with the pandemic? Changes that you brought about when the pandemic hit and during the duration of the pandemic. Welcome to Life in the Skies at the World Towers, partnered by ET Now, a special series where we bring to you an unprecedented look into the lives of 6 extraordinary individuals who call this iconic landmark their home. Flavor of the season is sports, and I'm not just talking about cricket or the Olympics, but all kinds of sports. Now in conversation with India's global icon for sports, Sunil Chhetri, the captain of the Indian football team. Sunil, pleasure to interact with you. Thank you so much for being here. What's required for Indian athletes to excel at the upcoming Olympics and for every Olympic edition that comes after that? Today's buzzword, the word, which is AI. So can you tell me about AI?
The options are A, rice, B, sunflower oil, C, wheat, and D, pulses. How important is inculcating the ethos and values of dharma, of karuna, of shraddha, so righteousness, compassion, mindfulness. How important is that to put in to the student of today?
What are some various triggers for India Inc. to publish a sustainability performance for themselves? Why would they want to do it?
I'm from the media. We're always searching for the headline. So I will turn to my right side, 2 experts here, and I have to start with the SME IPO market.
Drive towards globalizing higher education underscores the nation's aspirations to become a knowledge hub on the international stage. Innovations are happening in areas such as fintech, agri-tech, health tech, and edtech. And this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for us to make India the startup capital of the world. Well, now we're going to kickstart. We're first starting off with these very important MOUs, the Memorandum of Understanding, that will detail the great investor interest that is emerging for the state of Andhra Pradesh. 14-year-old Aru Sahu is a prodigy. यह मात्र 6 वर्ष की बाली उम्र से ही संगीत की शिक्षा मिले बिना छत्तीसगढ़ी संगीत और कला के क्षेत्र में श्रेष्ठता का प्रयास कर रही है।
नमस्कार, मैं हूं आपके साथ सुमित लखोटिया और आपका स्वागत है हमारे खास शो कंज्यूमर इज किंग में। अब कोविड के टाइम पर एक बात जो बेहद कॉमन देखने को मिली है वो है वेट गेन। घर में रहने की वजह से लगभग सभी ने थोड़ा वजन तो बढ़ा ही लिया है।
काफी कंपटीशन भी है, तो आपका क्या नजरिया है कंपटीशन के बारे में? अगर
किसी भी चीज में कंपटीशन नहीं होगा तो मजा ही नहीं आएगा।
Cheers, Sumit.
Cheers, thank you so much.
What's my experience like?
Picture अभी बाकी है भाई.
Thank you so much for watching.